Welcome again to the another classwork. Let's start with another classwork and it's certificate. We're gonna make a certificate, a classwork of Google Docs and its certificate or appreciation letter. And the good thing is you can use Google search image and then have a border and then and add another elements into it, and then boom, you have your certificate ready there, and you can give to people, or maybe if you're a teacher or if you're a boss or CEO, so you can give them as an appreciation letter, or you can certify that they have worked with you, and you can make it by your own, which is really nice thing to do. So let's analyze first. This is an image, okay, that's covered behind the text. But in Microsoft Word, we have another way to design it, okay? So it's different way. And then we have logo again. In here, I can see three column in here. I see, okay, and then in here I can see one column, and then in here I see two, again three column. Maybe this one is also a column. So basically we need three column with two, with three row. Okay, so let's do that in here. I'm gonna go back, okay, and create a new one. A new one we create, we call it certificate. Okay, now the first thing, please judge by your own and use your own judgment. What is the first thing I should do in Google Doc? Okay, you got it. The first thing I should do, I should rotate it to the orientation. I cannot make, and to also A4 and then to landscape, or yeah, I should really take it as a landscape. And I'm gonna click again. So there you go, we made it. I'm gonna zoom out a little bit, maybe this much percent. So this is still not good enough. Yeah, but still, I'm gonna go with 50%. Oh, it's too bad. Let's go with fit. So this is fit. Okay, I'm gonna go with 50% because it's much more easier. Okay, so this is it. We already have it right now. We want to have a border. We want to really have a good border for it. How we can do that? So we're gonna go insert image, search the web, and we're gonna type border and click again. So right now you have tons of border in here that you can decide on that to have it in your certificate. For example, you can decide on this. Okay, it's very nice. So let's see what we have. Or you maybe have somewhere else, so you just decide to. But for now, let's just stick with the Google image because it's completely free copyright. Let's see. Let's pick up this one. Okay, it's more nicer. So I'm going to click again. This is an appreciation letter, for example. And we're going to decide on that. So we're going to make it really big. So it loses its quality. That's very not good news. This is not a good news. So let's search another thing. Or let me just upload from my own computer that picture that I already had. Okay, from a very certificate files. Okay, so I have that border. There you go, I have it. And I'm gonna click on behind text, okay? And click again. Okay. And is it nice? Nope, still not nice. So, and let's see. Yeah, it's nice a little bit. So we did it right now, and that's great. So we're gonna now insert a table. Okay, you can see right now. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, so it's gonna be 100% zoom. Okay, and now you can see that also. In here, I should insert a logo. So I'm gonna go and search the web, or maybe I'm gonna upload these. Okay, I have them in here, and so this is too big. And click again. So I'm gonna do that as well. And image from the computer. Okay. Now this is just, I'm gonna go and lorem ipsum. Okay, text. I'm gonna copy that. So in here, I can have a lot of text. I can have it. Now let's go to the next part. This one, and finally this one. Now I should merge this. Which I'm gonna merge this right now. And I already did. And I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay. I don't know why it's not opening. Okay, let's open this site. Okay, let's go with this as well. Okay, for now, let's just stick with this. Okay, I'm gonna do that as well. Okay. Now you wanna cut paste as a really that format. That's very clean. So I'm gonna just do this one technique and do this technique. And also do this technique. Okay, so I'm gonna move all of them to the center and making them bold. And also I'm gonna copy paste all of this to here. And justify it maybe. I'm gonna make them a lot bigger. Okay. I already did. And in here, you can decide on people's name signature. And that's great. Okay, so for now, let's hide everything. Okay, we're gonna click on properties and choose this color. Okay, you can see right now it's done. And the one thing it's really, I can make this one. We'll make this one also to look maybe this one, this color. And make them really to the center. Make this to the center as well. Okay, it's to the center. And changing its color. Oops, it's changing the whole color for me. That's weird. Okay, I think it's not working. Well, that's fine. So this is it. We made it right now. We made it close looking as the same as that one in here. So you can see this one is the same as this one, and there's nothing to worry about. Okay, I only need a little bit more time to edit the text and all of that. So I hope you also submit it and do your homework.